Hello friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are good and having a good time and in good health. Today we have a new topic and a very exciting one. It's school time again. So you're probably feeling excited and maybe a little sad also sometimes, because some of you may be nervous also, a little scared on the first day of back to school because all the new things there might be. So new teachers might be, there are new friends, or maybe even you're going to a new school. Luckily, you know what, these new worries will only stick around for a little while. Trust me, it will be fun all again. It's back to school time with fun. And on Fun Drawing with Piyali, we are going to draw that fun time while on our way to school. We will draw a beautiful scenery drawing of students going to school. So are you all excited? I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. So while we are drawing this very nice and beautiful fun school time drawing, let's hear the fun facts. So fact number 1, India has the world's largest school. City Montessori School is a co-educational private school offering education in English medium in the city of Lucknow with over 55,000 students and 4,500 staff across 18 campuses. The City Montessori School in India awarded the 2002 UNESCO Prize for Peace Education. Fact number 2, the Shishi High School located in Chengdu, China is the world's oldest school. Established in 194 AD, earning the title of being the world's oldest school comes with no surprise. And you know, there are so many fun facts all around. So fact number 3, a school in Philippines is made entirely of recycled pop bottles. So we must have been learning about recycling, reproducing and reusing. So this school has established, really the learning has become live. The school named Bottle School is one of its kind in Asia. It took about 9,000 bottles and dozens of volunteers to build the structure. Each bottle was filled with sand, water and straw to keep them sturdy. Then a cement-like substance was used to hold the bottle in place as they were stacked on the top of each other to create walls. Wow, what a teaching which comes alive. Fact number 4, have you ever seen a boat school? In Bangladesh, there are no fewer than 100 boat schools because there are lots of flooding happens. Annual flooding can disrupt school for hundreds of thousands of students. So in some areas, roads are impossible during the rainy season to attend the school for the students. So they have, for about river rise as much as like 4 meters or 12 feet. Hence they need for boat school there. So 100 boat school over there. And now the last fun fact, fact number 5. Credit for our modern version of school system. So usually school was there but in another form, like Vedic schools and all those forms, but the kind of school we are going today, like the modern school, the uniform and the buses and then the books and the teacher, those modern version of this school was generally the credit goes to Horace Mann. And the exams we fear the most in the school for the exam, and we really wish that I wish there were no school exams. But the school exam, school exam was invented by Henry Fischel. He was the first person to invent the school exam. So my cute angels, we hope you enjoyed our interesting fun facts and already enjoying our drawing on back to school. I just want to say something to you, my angels. Respect your parents. They pass school without Google, so the school is not a hard thing. There is more treasure in books than in the pirate's loot on Treasure Island, said by Walt Disney. And really it is true. The school's bells are ringing loud and clear now. Vacation's over, school is here. So get the knowledge treasure to be the king and the queens of your own life. So till we meet next time with another fun drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piyadi. Drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.